In this training, we'll learn how to identify and report critical incidents, as well as the role critical incident reporting plays in ABCCM's risk management and continuous improvement efforts. Critical incidents are any actual or alleged events that create significant risk of substantial or serious harm to the physical or mental health, safety, and well-being of our clients, staff, or volunteers. You should immediately report the following critical incidents: any incident involving injury, acts of physical aggression or violence, abuse, exploitation, neglect, suicide or attempted suicide, death, sexual assault, vehicular accidents, any accident involving damage to property, communicable disease, infection control, a biohazard accident, use of or possession of weapons, and use of or possession of drugs and alcohol. If you're ever unsure if you should report something, consult with your supervisor. At ABCCM, the safety and well-being of our clients, staff, and volunteers is our top priority. By immediately reporting critical incidents, we can review our current policies and procedures to ensure they are as effective as possible at preventing and responding to similar situations. We can identify trends and potential safety risks and take a critical look at how we respond to these incidents. We can learn from every critical incident, and reporting these incidents gives us an opportunity to prevent them in the future. Additionally, there are some types of incidents which legally require us to report them to the appropriate authorities. ABCCM's Critical Incident Report Form can be found on the intranet at this site. Once there, click on Documents. A list of available documents will appear. Click on Accident Incident Report. If you don't have access to ABCCM's intranet, you can request this form from your supervisor. Here's what the form looks like. It's a short, two-page form that asks necessary questions to gather details about the critical incident. In the event of any critical incident, you should first notify your supervisor. Next, fill out the critical incident form as completely as possible. There may be some information you don't have or don't know right away, and you might need help from others to complete the form. Submit the form to your supervisor as soon as possible, but no later than 24 hours after the incident occurred. Once ABCCM's leadership receives the critical incident report, they will review it to ensure our policies and procedures were followed. They will look for ways to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future, and they'll ensure the proper authorities and individuals were notified. They'll also compare the report to reports of similar incidents, if any exist, to identify potential trends. This review could result in a change to our policies or procedures, or additional training for staff and volunteers. ABCCM is committed to a process for continuous improvement of its programs and services. Prompt identification and reporting of critical incidents support our continuous improvement efforts and provide opportunities for us to create a safer environment for our clients, staff, and volunteers. This concludes the training. If you have any questions about how to identify or report critical incidents, please talk with your supervisor.